If you were launching a brand new ute into some thick competition, the first order of business would be to make a big splash. And the 2026 Kia Tasman did exactly that. But here is what Ford and Toyota do not want you to know. This Korean underdog just exposed how overpriced and under-equipped their utes have become. After testing the Tasman, I finally understand why the established brands are nervous. Let me show you what they are trying to hide. By the end of this video, you will see why buying a Ranger or HiLux in 2026 makes absolutely no sense. Let's dive in. The Kia Tasman comes with 6 trim levels at present. Pricing starts at $42,990, but the one that has Ford and Toyota worried is the range-topping X Pro at $74,990. Now here is where things get interesting. The Ford Ranger Wildtrak costs $69,990. The Toyota HiLux GR Sport sits at $74,310, so the Tasman appears more expensive on paper, right? Wrong. Because when you see what you actually get for that money, the established brands look like they have been ripping you off for years. Let me break down what you would pay to get similar features on a Ranger or HiLux. The Ranger Wildtrak does not come with ventilated seats. You cannot option them. The HiLux GR Sport does not have a sunroof. It is not available. Heated rear seats? Not on either competitor. Dual wireless chargers? Nope. Ambient lighting? Forget about it. Remote parking? Not even close. To get the Ranger or HiLux even remotely close to the Tasman's equipment level, you would need to add thousands in aftermarket accessories. And even then, you still would not have integrated systems like the remote parking or the advanced driver assistance features. Kia is not just matching the competition, they are embarrassing them. Ford and Toyota have been coasting on brand loyalty for years, charging premium prices while delivering average equipment. The Tasman changes the game by giving buyers everything they actually want, at a price that suddenly makes the established players look greedy. This is not about Kia being cheap. This is about Kia giving you actual value, while Ford and Toyota nickel and dime you for basic features. But here is the real secret. Ford and Toyota do not want you knowing about the warranty. Kia offers 7 years unlimited kilometers. Ford, 3 years, 100,000 kilometers. Toyota, 3 years, 100,000 kilometers. That means after 3 years, when your Ranger or HiLux warranty expires, the Tasman still has 4 years of coverage left. 4 years? Do the math on what that peace of mind is worth. If you keep your ute for 7 years, which most buyers do, you are covered the entire time with the Tasman. With the Ranger or HiLux, you are on your own for more than half of your ownership experience. And this is not just about free repairs. This is about resale value. When you go to sell your Tasman after 4 or 5 years, it still has transferable warranty coverage remaining. That is a massive selling point. Buyers will pay more for a used vehicle that still has factory warranty. The Ranger and HiLux have nothing to offer at that point. Their warranties expired years ago. Kia is so confident in their engineering and build quality that they will back the Tasman for 7 years with no kilometer limit. That tells you everything you need to know about how well this ute is built. Ford and Toyota could offer longer warranties. They choose not to. Why? Because longer warranties cost them money and repairs. Kia is willing to take that risk because they know the Tasman is built to last. Let me put this in perspective. Over 7 years, the average ute owner will spend thousands on repairs once the warranty expires. Transmission issues, electrical problems, suspension wear, all of it adds up fast. With the Tasman, Kia covers all of that for the entire 7 years. With the Ranger or HiLux, you are paying out of pocket after year 3. Even if you budget just $1,000 per year for repairs and maintenance beyond the warranty period, that is $4,000 over those extra 4 years. The Tasman just saved you $4,000 compared to the competition. And that is a conservative estimate. Major repairs, like transmission or engine work, can easily cost $5,000 too. $10,000, one major failure outside of warranty erases any perceived value, advantage the Ranger or HiLux might have had. The warranty alone makes the Tasman the smarter financial choice. And the tech? This is where the Tasman really embarrasses the competition. Highway Driving Assist 2 combines adaptive cruise control and lane centering to perform autonomous lane changes under the right conditions. The Ranger and HiLux do not have anything close to this. The safety feature count on the Tasman is right up there with luxury SUVs, not utes. Autonomous emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, driver attention monitoring, all standard. Ford and Toyota charge thousands extra for far less capable systems. The Ranger's adaptive cruise control is basic. It will maintain distance, but it will not help with steering. The HiLux is even further behind, with some trims not even offering adaptive cruise at all. This is technology that makes long drives less exhausting if you regularly do highway drives for work or road trips with the family. These features reduce fatigue and stress. You are still actively driving, but the vehicle is assisting in ways that make the experience more relaxing. And Ford and Toyota charge extra for far less capable systems. The Ranger offers adaptive cruise and lane keeping, but they are separate systems that do not work together as seamlessly. The HiLux barely has any of this technology available, even on top trims. Kia looked at what luxury car buyers expect and brought all of that technology to the ute segment. They are not treating ute buyers like second-class customers who do not deserve modern safety features. They are giving ute buyers the same advanced technology that people expect in $100,000 SUVs. That is the Kia difference. So can a Kia beat Ford and Toyota? In features, tech, warranty, and value? It is not even close. The Tasman wins decisively. In brand loyalty? That is the only thing Ford and Toyota have left. And that is exactly why they do not want you test driving this ute. Because once you sit in the Tasman and see what $75,000 actually gets you compared to a Ranger or HiLux at the same price, the spell breaks. You realize you have been paying premium prices for average equipment. The badge on the grille does not justify the lack of features. The decades of heritage do not make up for the outdated technology. Brand loyalty is fine until it costs you thousands of dollars and years of warranty coverage for nothing in return. The Tasman is not just good for a Kia. It is better than what Ford and Toyota are selling. And that is the truth they do not want you discovering. Walk into a Ford or Toyota dealership and ask for a ute with a sunroof, ventilated seats, remote parking, highway driving assist 2, and a 7-year unlimited kilometer warranty. They will laugh you out of the showroom because they cannot provide any of that. Then walk into a Kia dealership and ask for the Tasman X Pro. You will get all of it, standard, at a price that is competitive or even lower than the under-equipped competition. This is what disruption looks like. Kia is not playing by the old rules where heritage and brand name justify charging more for less. They are competing on actual value, actual features, and actual ownership experience.